Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone the right way. Whether you're selling your iPhone, fixing software issues, or just want a fresh start, resetting your iPhone can help. But before we get started, make sure to back up your data because once the reset is complete, everything will be erased and cannot be recovered. A factory reset can be useful in many situations, such as if your iPhone is running low or freezing, if you're selling, trading, or giving it away, if you need to remove personal data, if you're experiencing software issues or glitches, or if you have forgot your passcode and are locked out of your device. Whatever the reason, a factory reset brings your iPhone back to its original settings, just like when you first took it out of its box. In order to back up your iPhone using iCloud Backup, open the Settings app and tap on your name from the top. Then select iCloud. On the next screen, tap on the iCloud Backup and then tap on the Backup Now button. Make sure you have enough space in your iCloud account for the backup to complete. You can also back up your iPhone using a computer. Simply connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC using a USB cable, then open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, and then select the Backup Now option. This ensures that you can restore your data if you need it later. Now that your data is backed up, let's reset your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app and then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping on Erase iPhone option. Your iPhone will now restart and wipe all data. This process can take a few minutes to complete. You will also be asked to enter your Apple ID password. After your iPhone restarts, you will see the Hello Setup screen. Now you can set it up as a new iPhone, restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup, or sell it or give it away. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID and connect to Wi-Fi to complete the setup. Here are some frequently asked questions and issues that users usually run into when factory resetting their iPhone. Will a factory reset remove iCloud activation lock? No. If you're selling your iPhone, make sure you sign out of iCloud before resetting. Go to Settings, your name, and tap on Sign Out option. My iPhone is stuck on Apple logo after resetting. What do I do? To solve this, try force restarting your iPhone. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Can I undo a factory reset? The answer is no, but you can restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup. And that's it. Now you know how to factory reset your iPhone step by step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help.